Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all, my new subscribers. I see you coming in. Ones and twos and threes. Thank you and welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. My whole subscribers that were there from the beginning, thank you all so much. Everybody has their input and we're all a family now. So thank you all. Thank you for making it West Indian Delights. Now today, I'm just gonna do a pretty cool, I would say just a pretty cool little video. I'm not gonna cook. As you can see right here, I have my national dish. A part of it can go with saltfish, but we're not having any saltfish today. We are not really cooking of such today. I also want to show you some of my YouTube family members out there who doesn't have a clue hearing about this ackee and saltfish, this ackee, the Jamaican dish and whatever. Everybody doing them one thing, them take the ackee and them do them want something with it and say a Jamaican something. Anyhow, I just want to highlight something to you all who doesn't have a clue about it, because I know a lot of you out there, you have no clue. Now let's get rolling. Now this is what the ackee looks like when it's ready to be harvested. As I tell you, I just went to do some harvesting, as we call it in Jamaica, pick. Me just go pick some ackee. So this is one that is open. I want to show you something. I brought these two. These are not open as yet, but I want to show you something. While we were picking it, it was like this. This one was on this limb, stem or whatever. I wanted this one that was open. So while hooking it with the stick and pick and trying to pull this one only, the whole thing came down with these three. Now these are not ready. But when they come down like this, what I do, and I've been doing this over decades I've been doing this, I just take it, put it in a little corner, itch it somewhere on a fence or even on the same tree limb, because sometimes the limbs come down low, and I leave it there. And over a period of days, when you go back, you see it automatically comes like this. Even though it's not on the tree, it comes like this. It's okay to use it, as long as it is like it's fit. This is almost ready to be open, but it's just that this one, while getting it off, it came right down. So this, when you leave it somewhere and it open by itself, it's okay to use it, family. Okay, this out of the way. Now this is what it is like when you go to purchase. It comes from the tree like this. When you go to purchase it, you purchase it and you would get it in these. This is called, I think they say, the pod, and these are the pegs or the seed. Now in Jamaica, it is sold by the dozen. So when you go and ask for a dozen ackee, you wouldn't get a dozen of these, the pegs. You would get a dozen of the pod. So 1 dozen ackee would be 12 of these pods, and each pod has inside 3 pegs or 3 seeds. So you would end up, when you buy a dozen ackee, you would end up with 36 of these. Sometimes some of these, the pods, they have in 4. Some very rare, because like my tree, lots of times I have a lot of 4-seeder pods, but most of them is like 3. So when you go and you buy when you purchase a dozen ackee, you would get 12 of these, but when you pick them out, you would get 36 of these. Okay, y'all? Now, I want to proceed to show you. So this is how you do it. You just pick it, put that aside. Right? So this one has in 4. I didn't even realize this. This one had 4 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. See there? Okay. So when you go and you buy it, now they have it in the tin, family, but guess what happened? I don't have a clue about that in the tin. Even though I'm a Jamaican, I've never bought a tin of ackee. I don't know what it look like. I don't know what it tastes like. I just can tell you about this that I have here, that I've harvested from my tree. Okay? Now I want to proceed to show you something else about the ackee, right? me take this out maybe. I have a little paring knife, but I can't find it. You're gonna proceed now to get the ackee clean, to get it to cook. You pick out the seed. Now inside here, I don't even have a clue where this bee's name. I don't know where them name. There people are saying it's poisonous. I don't know. What I know, once it's opened, everything is okay. That's what I know. Because family, you make me tell you something. I grew up in the rural part of Jamaica. And for the years that I've been small growing up, I see my mother cook clean these. And she would never use a knife. She would just use her bare hands. Just to wring out. This is how she do it. She wring out the seed and she open it. And she use her hands and she pick it out right there. I don't know, but that's how she do it. You could never use a knife. And she roll it out. And she would get her hands inside here. And she would get out whatever they are. I don't know what them name family, but they take it out. These are like a little mushy. So when you get them a little mushy like this, you have to clean off your hands. Okay, family? Right. This is how my mother would do it. And sometimes, I see enough time she would leave back a little pieces of these inside. And it cook. I may not say doing nothing. What I know is that once you get it like this, it's okay. From you take the seed out and you get out these parts. I don't know what they're called, family. Probably you have to Google it. It's okay. It's fine. Something again I want to show you. When I was growing up as a little girl, I would often see my brothers. I don't have a sister. Take the ackee, raw ackee, put it in their mouth and eat it. It's a little funny, but they would eat it till when you look, you see the milk. It is milky. Right? And I'm doing just this now. Are you going to see me on another video? I'm not going to die. Okay. So now, when you meet upon these small seeds, I use the knife to go down because I can't get it out. Get right here. And pick it out. When you meet upon the ones like this, like the small ones with these small seeds, I would use the knife to go right against the seed, taking out like a little triangle. And as soon as you get that out, so me just don't eat raw ackee on camera on YouTube. Nothing do me. You know? And I know a lot of people is so scared of ackees. I am too. What I am scared of is to buy it from people where I don't know where them get it from or how them get it open. That is how I'm scared of it. But once I can harvest my own, I am not scared. Okay, y'all? So, I'm just showing you a few little things about the ackee that I know. That I can speak of. So now we have this here. When you clean it and you have it all clean like this, and you're not ready for it, please don't let it get wet. You get your Ziploc, or what if it's not even Ziploc? Ziploc is like just a regular plastic bag, and you put it in here, and you have it, and you just seal it, and you put it inside your freezer, and you refrigerate it until forever all you want. Probably another 3 months, 4 months. Sometimes I have ackee inside my deep freeze for months. So when you're ready, you let out the hair. When you're ready, you take it out ahead of time from the freezer, leave it in the refrigerator, let it thaw. When you're ready now, you come, you set your boiling water and you proceed to cook it. There's a video, this is my very first video. I show you what the ackee look like, and then it's cooked. That is my very first video on YouTube, ackee and saltfish. Might not be as up to as I would like to, because it was my very first video. And you know how it go, family. Camera on the first time you do it. So what I'm gonna do for y'all again, another ackee and saltfish video. I show you now how you get it to reach to this point. So the next point from here would to get the ackee to cook and to fix it up with your saltfish. You can fix up with your saltfish. You can fix up with your chicken back. You can fix up with pork, bacon, whatever, chicken, anything. Especially something that is salty. It goes well with things that are salty. Red herring, wow, it's nice with red herring. Okay, family? So it's just a little information highlighting to you all, or like demonstrating to you all how it goes, how the whole Ackee system goes. That's how I know it goes in Jamaica. And I guess it go like that everywhere, because there's no other way. Okay, y'all? So if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Continue to subscribe to the channel. Continue leaving your comments below. And remember, man, thank you for being a part of the Jamaican cooking journey. Yeah, man, Debbie from down a yard. Cut me a cut, because I'm going to finish clean up my Ackee now.